Yo dudes and dudettes, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be making a bug burger out of these crickets, these grasshoppers. We have 30 grams of these grasshoppers in this bowl. Just a quick fact, grasshoppers actually have more protein than beef. For 100 grams of grasshoppers, you have 40 grams of protein, while in beef, you only have 26.1 grams. So I'm going to go ahead and pour them in. Another fun fact is that actually, they're also a nice little snack. We've got them in the grinder. Let's go ahead and grind. There we go. Grasshopper powder. Now ready for the next step. Well, I'm going to start putting in the vegetables to make the patties. So I'm going to start with 1 clove of garlic. There we go. Then half a chopped red onion. Then I'm going to put half a grated carrot. After 125 grams of chickpeas. Little stir. Little mix. Then I'm going to add 125 grams of kidney beans. And finally, I'm going to add half a beetroot. Grated. So this is what we have so far. This is all the vegetables. Starting to look really nice. I'm now going to add the rest of the ingredients. So firstly, I'm going to add some oats. I'm going to add about 40 grams of oats. There it goes. There we go. Then I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. Here we go. Had some fun making that. Then of course we're going to add the grasshoppers, 40 grams of these. Did you know that grasshoppers or crickets produce 80% less methane than beef if you do a weight-to-weight comparison? In here we have 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, cumin and paprika. There you go. I'm going to add the parsley. These are all just for flavour. And there we are. I'm going to let this cook for 5 minutes and we will see you in the next part. Okay, so we've cooked it all. It's now ready to be made into patties. Here are 2 patties, one without egg, one with egg, and I'm just going to show you how to shape them. Okay, so I've finished my patties and I've got my frying pan with a bit more olive oil in it, and I'm going to cook them for 2.5 minutes on each side on medium to high heat. And in go the buns. Oh no. There we are. Okay, it's time to build the bun. We've got the patties, we've got the bread, and we've got the extras. Let's go. Usually I start off with a patty first. That's the way I go. And there you go, the bug burger. Yeah.